Hey guys, so we're talking more specifically about translations, and you can see at the top of your notes, we want to be able to translate figures in the coordinate plane. We've already done that a little bit. We've also already done a little bit of this, writing translation rules, and then we're going to talk about something new, something called vectors and how that corresponds with translations. So if you go down to the bottom of your page, it should look something like this, and we've got an image of what's going on over here, just as a reminder. The pre-image is that first image that we're starting with, that's marked here with A, B, and C, and then the new image that comes from that, the prime image that we called the other day, is marked with A prime, B prime, and C prime. Okay, we'll talk about isometry in just a little bit. So what we're doing with that background knowledge is taking this quadrilateral that we're gonna graph that over here, A, B, C, D, and you see all the vertices. So you can mark those on the graph. Here's where point A is at. It's at -2, 6. Point B, point C, point D, and so on. And when you graph that on the coordinate grid down below, you should get something kind of like this that I've got shown in blue, A, B, C, D. That's your original quadrilateral. What we're doing with the rest of this, and I've already got that filled in there for you, it's saying you want to find the new image, the prime image, after we translate it, so we're sliding it over, our x becomes x plus 3. And what that really means is what we've got down here, fill in the blank. It means we're adding 3 to the x coordinate. In other words, we're shifting it 3 over to the right. And we're taking whatever we had as y in our blue image here, and we're making that into y minus 3. So we're taking it and we're subtracting 3 from its y coordinate. And what that's going to do is it's going to shift it down 3. And so every point on here, you can see I went from A down to A prime by going 3 to the right and 3 down. There's my new coordinate. I took B and I went 3 to the right and 3 down. There's B prime. Same thing with C down to C prime. Same thing with D down to D prime. Okay, so that's where we've done that before, where you can get that new image in its place. But then again, we want to look at the coordinates. What happened with the coordinates? Well, every x value, like -2 here, we added 3 to it, so now it becomes 1. 2 added 3 becomes 5. 2 added 3 becomes 5. -2 adding 3 becomes 1. For all the y values, the initial y values, we took away 3. So 6 minus 3 is where we get this 3. 4 minus 3 becomes 1, and so on. So that is translating figures in the coordinate plane.